Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus FA506N. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're here, it's likely that your Asus FA506N has a cracked screen, making it difficult to see anything on your device. This issue can occur due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, such as screen malfunctions or internal component issues, so it's best to tackle this problem sooner rather than later. To fix the screen, you'll need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement screen specifically for the Asus FA506N. Once you have your tools ready, we can begin the repair process. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover of the laptop, starting from one of the corners and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging any clips that may hold the cover in place. After removing the back cover, locate the screen connector, which is typically situated near the hinge of the device. Gently disconnect the cable by lifting the connector latch. Now, you'll need to remove the screws that hold the cracked screen in place. These screws are usually found around the edges of the screen. Make sure to keep track of them, as you'll need them for the new screen. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the screen away from the frame. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage any nearby components. With the old screen removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new screen with the frame and secure it using the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the screen cable, ensuring it's firmly in place before locking the latch. After everything is secured, replace the back cover by snapping it into place. Finally, power on your Asus FA506N to check that the new screen is functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider investing in a sturdy laptop case or screen protector. These can help absorb shocks from accidental drops and protect your screen from scratches. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.